In this video, we are going to go over percent change. Welcome back to my channel, Numerics with Nadia, and let's get into our lesson objective for today. So we want to be able to understand percent increase and decrease by the end of this lesson. So you guys should be able to calculate that. You should be able to calculate percent increase and percent decrease, understand their real life applications, and solve some practice questions, which we will always get into at the end of the lesson. If you aren't already subscribed, please subscribe to my channel and turn on your post notifications so you know every time I post a new video. Now that we've gone over our lesson objective for today, let's get into an introduction to percentage change. So there's two types of percent change. We could either have percent increase or a percent decrease, and let's go through the definitions of each. So percent increase occurs when the new value is greater than the original value. So this would indicate growth. On the other hand, percent decrease occurs when the new value is less than the original value, which indicates a reduction. So I have the percent change formula right here for you guys. Percent change is the new value minus the old value divided by the old value times 100% to get us back into percentages. If the result is positive, that means that it is a percent increase. And if the result is negative, that indicates a percent decrease. So that's how simple the formula is. We will be given the two components of information, the new value and the old value, and then all we do is just find that percentage change. Now, where is this used in real life? This is used very often in real life. First off, it could be a shopping discount, right? If something goes on sale, you want to see what the percentage discount is. That is an application of this concept. It could also be when you're analyzing population change, analyzing if the rate is growing or declining. You can also use this in finance if you're determining interest rates and investment growth, and also in health if you're tracking changes in statistics like infection rates. Percent change is used widely in the real world, so it's definitely important for you guys to understand how to apply that formula that we went over and the definition. So with that, let's get into our practice questions for today. The directions just say to calculate the percent change. For number 1, it says a town's population grows from 20,000 to 22,000. Calculate the percent increase. So I wrote our formula down here. We're going to just do new minus old divided by old times 100. Our old value, since we started at 20,000 and then increased to 22, our old value is 20,000, the new value is 22,000, and all we do is just plug this directly into the formula. When we do that, we end up getting 10%. So our percent increase here is 10%. The population is growing by 10%. That wraps up number 1. Now we'll get into number 2. Number 2 says a car's value drops from 15,000 to 12,000. Calculate the percent decrease. So 2 hints here on why it's percent decrease. First off, obviously it says it, but second, it says that the value is dropping. So this is going to be a percent decrease. We have our old value and our new value. We'll just go through here and plug it into that percent change equation, and we end up getting 20%. And then for our last and final problem, I've rewritten our equation. We have an investment grows from 1,200 to 1,500. Determine the percent change. Is it a percent increase or a percent decrease? So here we are starting at 1,200 and growing to 1,500. So that is an increase. We know we're going to have a percent increase. We're going to plug into our formula. We'll have 1,500 minus 1,200 over 1,200, right? New minus old over old times 100. When we do that, we end up getting 25%, and we know that this is a percent increase. That wraps up our practice questions for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video on percent change. Please feel free to like it if you did, comment any questions or any other video topics you would like to see down below. Share this video with a friend, subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys next time.